Hello guys, did you know what is calculus? Calculus is a branch of mathematics that deals with the finding and properties of derivatives and integrals of functions by methods originally based on the summation of infinitesimal difference. There are two main types of calculus. The first one is differential calculus. Differential calculus based on the concept of real numbers, functions, limits, and continuity. The second one is integral calculus. Integral calculus studies the notion of an integral, its properties, and methods of calculation. Here's the sum of real-life scenario using basic calculus. And the first one is the engineers.
Hi everyone, my name is Teresa Lasmernila from STEM 122. Most college students ask how they are going to use calculus in real life. So how do we use calculus in real life? Let's see. Architects also use calculus to calculate the amount of materials needed for constructions and the type of support systems required to prevent construction from collapsing. Without the accuracy afforded by the use of calculus, bridges, roads, and tunnels would not be as safe as they are today. It may collapse. Most engineers and architects will use the calculus to know the shape and size of the curves. The bridges are made with a number of wood which are interconnected and supported by nylon, so the density of each wood may differ. Therefore, it is more difficult to find the total density of the structure, and this is where calculus can be applied. We use vector calculus to calculate the total mass.
The second scenario is the traffic enforcers.
Hi, Han. I'm going to work right now. Goodbye. I love you.
Okay, Han. Keep safe. I love you too.
At that moment, the traffic enforcer confront me and saying that you are over in speed limit and maybe I should give you ticket and you must pay for your violation. The maximum speed limit of a car running in highway is 60 km per hour. The constant is the car that accelerates speed when a car exceeds to 65 km per hour. Limit does not exist because Janren did not follow low speed limit allowed for road vehicle. So Janren will face the charge for his action. But when Janren maintained his speed limit in highway to 60 km per hour, the limit exists because he followed the low speed limit that allowed for vehicle running around in highway.
And the third scenario is the entrepreneurs.
Good morning, everyone. I'm the new brand manager of AL Company Clothing. Yes, I am the new manager. Just let me know if any problem. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Me too, Ma'am. Good morning and thank you. Ma'am, we have a serious problem. We have a shortage with our stocks today. To provide 6 bundles of clothes based on our calculation with the number of the employees on the duty, we cannot able to provide 6 bundles. Okay, relax. Call all the buyers and tell them if they are willing to win. Okay po, ma'am. Thank you. Based on the given problem, we have issues on the numbers of clothes to be manufactured. The employees can only provide 4 bundles of clothes in the day with their numbers of employees, which is 10 employees in the duty in a day. The only solution that I see in the situation is that they need to call and ask for help to another employees who is in day off or day leave. We can 10 employees in duty and we can only provide 4 bundles of floats. In those cases, we need another 5 more employees to work that day. So we can make the additional 2 more bundles for us to hit the target number of 6 bundles to be manufactured in.
The third scenario is the doctors.
Hi, I'm a doctor and I have a patient coming in for today.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning, Vincent. So today you're going to have a CT scan where you're going to compare your scan today to your last scan. So let's go.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
And this is important to ask doctors, especially to know the progression or reversion of the drugs prescribed and the sustainable growth rate of the disease. This is described as an exponential function, just like in this equation. This is to know whether the prescribed drugs is working or not and if the tumor is shrinking or growing. As I know the results, I can now identify based on the treatment plans that are suitable for the patient. If the SGR is low, it means that the drugs is helping the patient and shrinking the tumor. Sir Vincent, according to your results, the tumor is shrinking, but you will still have to take the drugs I prescribed and will still have to go back here every 3 months. So we will be able to see the changes and to know the progression of your tumor.
Okay, you.
Okay, thank you. Calculus is important in medical science.
And the last scenario is the farmers.
One morning, Bea packed her things. After that, she went to Balubad Alfonso Cavite to find a job that interested her. As she was an animal lover, she applied for being a farmer in Birchwood Farm. A few days later, she got a call from the owner of the farm saying that she was hired. She was assigned to take care of some animals like feeding chickens, pigs, and calf. In the given scenario, farmers can use calculus to make their job easier. They use calculus in order to predict the cost needed to feed animals. They can calculate business profit after settling all the expenses they use in taking care of the animals. They can also improve the quality and profitability in operations where they can gain financial. Calculus enables farmers to pay closer attention to the details, to collect more data, and to understand the data more thoroughly.
As you can see, there are so many scenarios that use calculus in our life, including engineers, traffic enforcers, doctors, and so on. So, what else do you think about calculus in our lives? Let me see in the comment section.